Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Kesters. My name is Elizabeth Kester. So today we're going to do a tutorial on the charcoal blackhead removal strip from Five Below. This will be my first time doing it, and if y'all hear any voices in the background, it's my husband and my brother being obnoxious. So just letting y'all know. So it says first to wash your face with warm water to open pores. Make sure there is no makeup or cream on the skin. Remove strip from plastic layer. So it says leave nose very wet. So we got wet in our nose with warm water, which it should be warm since I had it going earlier. And you will leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes is what it says to do. So let's get the water. Gonna damp my nose because I have some icky going on. I'm kind of like just got out of the shower, so I'm kind of like red. Always get really red in the face after I get out of the shower. So here we go. Gonna wet our nose. And this is my first time, so oh my lord, they're being so loud. I'm sorry if you hear them. They're just being really loud. So you'll take it out. It looks just like this. And it says to remove strip, apply the nose with flat, shiny area down, pat, and ensure the skin. So this side right here, this side goes down like this, and you pat, and I believe this is correct, so I'm just going to sit here and pat it to where it looks like I have one of those nose breathing things. This looks so weird. But it says remove strip from plastic layer, apply the nose with flat shiny area down, pat down to ensure strip stays to skin. Leave strip on for 10 to 15 minutes or until strip is dry and stiff. So I will get back to you within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so now it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna try to peel this off. Ow, that hurts. Ew. Ow. Ew, that is disgusting. I don't know if you can see that, but ew. Wow, mine is like really soft, but peel off strip, edge forward in the center. Remove slightly wet and oh, oops. I was supposed to wet and peel it off. Oh well. But yeah. I mean, there you go. That is so gross. But yeah, okay. Okay. Alright, that was really gross. Ew. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for further tutorials. I think tomorrow I'm going to do the face mask with my husband, and that will be on my channel as well as his. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a blessed evening. Bye.